So, today we are making a multiplication program. You can use this program to teach yourself multiplication, and it has a timer for 30 seconds or whatever you choose. And you can also choose how long it says correct and incorrect, and also how hard it is.
Wow, and you can check, you can practice, right?
Yes, you can also practice your multiplication.
That's awesome. You can test your knowledge.
So, first you make a new project and call it multiplication. So, first, we will when you press space, it will go to the next question. First, you put a reset timer block below the one space key pressed block is.
What is this gonna do?
So, if you have that question, it will start the program, or it will go to the next question. Either one. So next, we will make a new variable, and we will make it operator. And make sure you have the for all sprites selected, or the name comes out weird. So, as you can see, you will change the readout to large. And we will put it right here, about in the middle, that right there, and we will make set operator to X, or you can do this. I prefer X, so I'm going to do it like that. And then we will make, it won't let you create two variables with the same name, so we will make one with a capital letter T that says times, and also one without a capital letter. So, make sure to turn these to large readout and put them right here. Now you just have 3 zeros. Now we have 1x. Then we will set times to a pick random. I prefer 1 to 12. You can do whatever you want. Then also, it will take another of the set variable 2 blocks and hit your next times. your other times variable, the one without a capital. It actually doesn't really matter. The one that you haven't done yet. And then you will duplicate this block. Or you might want to make another block if you just want these numbers kind of different. And you can set these differently. So we have two pick random 1 to 12 blocks, and we have two times variables. One is with the capital letter, one is without. So, and then we want the cat to ask you the question. So we will make him ask, what is the answer to the question above? Put it right here and type, what is the answer to the question above?
So it's like a prompt.
So, there you go. So now run the program. It'll ask you, what is 5 times 9? But now we will have to add the timer, and we will have to let him check it. So we will also make something that says, so we are making multiplication. You can also use this program for other operators like divided, minus, or plus.
That's great.
So first we will do this. We will put these in to those little oval thingies, and then let's just leave it over here for now. Now we will make the thing that is after. So if your answer is equal to the answer check variable, which we are going to make. So make an answer check variable, and that, go back into operators and hit, and put that if this equals that block into there, and go into variables, the answer check, put that answer check block into the second, and then put the answer into the first.
Oh.
And then we will hit this say, answer equals answer check, we will say, make him say correct for whatever the amount you choose, and then we will take the stop all block, which should be in control, and then if it in this else place right here, we will hit incorrect it's. We will actually have to use this, join it's incorrect it's, we put incorrect, we type incorrect it's clearly not banana. So
Uh-oh.
this doesn't look right, but we type incorrect it's into there, and we hit, and then actually you have to put space here, or it also comes out weird. Variables, and you take answer check, put it into here on top of banana. And by the way, the answer is definitely not banana. We will actually definitely hide answer check so you won't see the answer. That'll make your multiplication just a calculator. No more answer check variable. Now we put this into a say for something amount of time block and put it into here. Now we will make the calculator. And that is extremely easy. So we will do set answer check to times times times.
Oh, okay.
And then you put that on top of there. And yes, now we are making the timer. So clearly I will start the program, type in something random, and hit check. And it says incorrect. It's 4 for 2 seconds. And you will see why we have it put for 2 seconds soon. And also put a stop all block under here.
Why do you put a stop all block?
Oh, if you want that question, it's so it doesn't tell that it's your fault that you ran out of time. It's to prevent that. I haven't figured out a way to yet make it so it doesn't say that. Because if you answer this 28 seconds, it'll say that for 2 seconds, and it says you ran out of time and you actually didn't. So,
Okay.
And now, see that block? So now, we have made this part. Now, we are making the timer. So, and by the way, just a second. Oh, and we need a new, when we press the space key, and you press the space key, and we say repeat until, well, so we will, of course, make a new variable, which is timer.
Oh.
I'm seeing if I got something wrong, so. See if I got something wrong. So we will, after this, we will we will put a repeat until block out here, and then we will do repeat until timer equals 30. We will repeat until timer equals 30. And hopefully this will work out. It might be a bit delayed because Scratch has to run the code, of course. Repeat until timer is not that. Wait. Repeat until timer is
over 30 seconds.
Which one?
30 seconds?
Which one of those? So we will put this block out here. when timer equals, of course you don't want to try and answer a multiplication problem in 50 seconds. By the way, this is the wrong one. Take this one. That's when timer is greater than. Well, of course you don't want 50 seconds to answer a multiplication problem. You can basically just go downstairs and get your calculator and answer it when timer equals 30. Not 32, but 30. Well, whatever you want, really. Which one you want, how much time you want, put in there. And then we will make it set timer to timer, of course. Set timer to the real timer. Set timer to timer. It also, it's in the sensing, okay? So, turn that to large readout. Set timer to timer. And then we will make it if timer is greater than 30. And then we will take a if then block. In this case, we will put if timer is greater than 30. It's greater than 30. Timer is greater than 30. What? If timer is greater than 30, we will say set answer check. So set answer check to times and times, and put them into here. When answer is set to times, by the way, that's just another calculator part. We don't actually need that. I don't know. I'm not sure if we actually need that, but it worked that way. Then after that block, we will put a broadcast message 1, and then when I receive message 1, we will set. Oh, it's like, if you want to know what a message is, it is a message. It's like it tells the whole program, and then something receives it. When like you put this code block in, it'll do what's below it. So we will put a set timer to 0 when I receive message 1. We will hit say. We will put a say and we'll use another of the join. And of course you don't want it to say apple banana. No broadcast message 1, and you do not want it saying apple banana. when you, well, run out of time, we will put there is no time left. The answer is and the answer is obviously not banana. It is answer check. Actually, we're not having it say banana for your answer. Say banana for the amount of time. Not having it say banana. There is no answer. Answer is banana for the amount for your answer, of course, for how many seconds you want. Then after that, we will put stop all. See that?
Mm-hmm. So what is message 1?
So message 1 is,
in this
case, would be sending something into the whole program. And if you have that block, it'll do what's below it. It's pretty useful. And now, let's see what it does. Press your space key. 12 times 7. Let's type in something random. Incorrect. It's 84. See that? Stopped it. Now, we will do a new one. 2 times 8. What's 8 plus 8? 16, of course. Now we will say yes. It says correct. And done. Stop your timer.
Okay.
And